Here in this lecture I will show you how to place a structure without grid. Here it is, click on the zone structure I already created here. If you see my previous lecture you can learn how to create this. I created zone structure here, go to the create. Before going to anywhere, just for structuring go to the design structure beams and column. After going the beams and column, set the default profile specification. I select this British standard. I want to make a column here and my column size is 203 203 Don't give anything here, just apply, dismiss. Now go to the create. Here it is, click on the structure, give the name east west grid. Hit the OK. Here it is east west grid. Select this. Again go to the create, select the framework, not giving any name to the framework, just OK. Select the framework, go to the create, go to the section straight. Here it is already opened here, so I'm already dismiss this. Click select the framework, go to the create, select the section straight. Here it is, this window will appear here. Click on the explicit here. Here it is, give the coordinate. For my coordinate for west it is 0910. North coordinate is 34800 and up is 1 lakh mm, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. This is the start point here. Hit the OK. Click on the end point. Up direction 6400. Hit the OK. Here it is. Now I want to create another. So hit the dismiss this. Select the framework, go to the create, click on the section, go to the straight. Now give the another dimension here. Another coordinates here. My second coordinate is for west. Second column coordinate for west is 315720. North coordinate is the same, and elevation is 1 lakh mm, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh mm. Here it is the start point. Make sure that coordinates are correct. Hit the OK. Give the end point here, up direction 6400. Hit the OK. Again now I have to give the another. Click the dismiss. Select the framework, create, section, straight, explicitly. Give the another west coordinate here, which is the 310540, and this is the 1 lakh mm. And the north coordinate is the same. This is the start point. Hit the OK. Give the end point here at the 6400, up direction. Hit the OK. Now my fourth column, dismiss, go to the create, section straight, click on the explicitly, change the west coordinate 35360, and the elevation is the bottom of structure is the 1 lakh mm from 0 origin. Here it is the start point and appeared here. Hit the OK. Click on the endpoint. Give the endpoint 6400. OK. Now here it is here. 4 columns are ready. Now I have to place these 4 columns towards north 4880. OK. Click the dismiss. Go to the utilities. Click on the list. Here it is add. Click on the list. Here it is I'm giving the any name. Hit the OK. Click on the add identified. Now select the structure one by one and give this escape. Here it is. The selected for structure will be appeared in this window. Give the command line here. New. SCTN copy previous by. I'm going towards the north, so I want to copy this 4 structure towards the north, which a distance is a 4880. 4880. Hit the enter. Click on the action. Close this window. Now this structural column is ready. Now I have to create a beams here. So for the beams, check your default profile specification and change the profile here. Go to the universe column. I'm selecting universal beam because I want to make a beam, and this is my profile. Hit the apply. Click on the dismiss. Now go to the create, structure for beams east west. Make sure that there is no space between the names. Hit the OK. Click on the create, select the framework, not giving any name to the framework. Go to the create section straight. Now give the coordinates here. My first coordinate is 320910, 320910, and the north is and my elevation from now you have to plus the elevation from the bottom elevation, which is my first elevation for the first beam is 10 4 11 0. Hit the OK. Click on the next endpoint. Here it is. I am going towards the east. Towards the east, distance is 5190. Hit the OK. Here it is. Your first beam is ready. Now, like this, I am creating a second beam here. Here I am creating second beam. Click on the continuous redefine start. Click on the explicit. Here it is my redefine start. After clicking on the redefine start, the start position is showing me here. Now I have to change the start position to the coordinate 310540 towards the west. 310540. Here it is start point shifted here, and my up elevation is the same. Hit the OK. Click on the end point. Here it is towards the east. I am moving towards the east. The distance is 5180. This the end point will be shown here. Click on the OK. Now I'm creating same as here. Okay. Going the click on the redefine start. Click on the explicit. My west coordinate will be changed 315720, and north coordinate shall be changed 396. This is the north coordinate 39680, and the west coordinate I am given here 315720, and the north coordinate 39680. Make sure that all coordinates are correct, and make sure that start point will be shown here in on your screen, and my elevation is the same. Now hit the OK. Give the endpoint here moving towards the east. After giving this dimension, endpoint will be appeared here and shown here also. The distance is 5180 towards the east. Hit the OK. Now I have to move these two beams towards the north here. So go to the list, click on the utility, go to the list, click on the add list, give the name anything here. OK. Click on the add identified these two members, giving the escape. It's two members. Again, I am giving the command here, which is the new sctn copy previous by towards the north. I'm moving towards the north 4800. Here it is. Why I'm doing this, because it's take too much time to again make the rest beam. So I'm just mirroring this whole thing here, or copying this all two beams here for saving time. Click on the action, close this. Now I have to create two more beams here and one here. So click on the structure, create section straight. Here it is, the continuous already appeared here. Click on the explicitly, give the coordinates here. For these two beams towards the east and west, the for the west is the 320910. Ten 4880. Now my elevation is changing. Click on the OK. Give the endpoint here towards the north. I'm moving towards the north. It's a 4880. Hit the OK. Now same as here, I want to give this here. Click on the redefine start. Hit the explicitly. Here it is, give the west coordinate here. My west coordinate is a 35360. Now I have to give the north coordinate here 34800. Here it is, the elevation is the same for this beam. Hit the OK. Make sure that the coordinates are correct. Hit the OK. Click on the end point here towards the north. I'm moving. Give the towards the north distance is the 4880. Hit the OK. Now I am going to create beams here, touching here to here. Okay, this structure is ready. Here now I have to create a four more beams here. One of here to touching here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. 1 2 3 4 beams. Now I'm giving the coordinates here. Again same process. Select the framework, create section straight. Click on the explicitly. I'm giving the coordinates here. My west coordinate 3200910. and north coordinate is a 34800, and the up elevation coordinate is a 106400. Now for this beam, click on the cancel dismiss, go to the set default profile specification. In the justification, select the TOS. It is a top of steel. It means the face of beam is collinear to the face of this column. Here it is joint line also should be a TOS top of steel. Hit the apply, dismiss. Now go to the create section straight. Click on the explicitly, give the coordinates here. I'm giving 320910. Here it is, I'm giving the north coordinate 34800. Here it is giving the my elevation coordinate is 106400. Hit the OK. Here it is, I am giving the endpoint. The start point will be shown after giving the explicit coordinates. Now the endpoint, I am moving towards the north. The distance is a 4880. Hit the OK. Here it is. Here it is. I selected a justification and joint line is a top of steel. It means this is the top of steel, which is the collinear to the top of column. Top of beam is collinear to the top of column. Now I'm going to create a one more here. Here, if I continue the process of straight section, the time will be very consumed. So I have to just copy this beam to here, here, and here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do? Select this beam. It is for time saving tricks. Select this beam. Go to the create, copy, offset. Give the dimension here. I'm moving towards the x-axis, so I'm giving the dimension here 5190. Hit the apply. Yes. Click on the dismiss. Select this column, this beam. Go to the create, copy, offset. I'm moving towards the x distance is a click on the apply. Yes. Click on the dismiss. Select this beam again. Go to the create, copy, offset. Give the dismiss. The distance same for the x. Click on the apply. Yes. This trick is for time saving. Now I have to extend this two columns to at the upside. Yes, I have to extend this two column by the 760 upside. So I have to give the again coordinates. I have to use the coordinate here again. Click on the select this framework, go to the create section straight. Go to the create. First I have to make the another beam here. So first thing is need to complete the beams. Go to the create section straight. Click on the explicit. I'm giving the another beam here, which is the coordinates is an endpoint moving towards the east. Here it is, this beam. Another I have to complete the beam first. Click on the redefine start explicit. Moving towards the south by the distance of 1000 mm. Hit the OK. Click the dismiss here. Now I have to give this. I have to extend this column to the towards the collinear to the beam. Go to the create section straight. Click on the explicit. Here I am giving the coordinates 315720. North coordinate is a 34800. And the elevation is a 30 10 6400. Hit the OK. To the endpoint upside up direction 760. Hit the OK. Now I have to rotate this column. Go to the position, oriented B angle 90 degree. Okay, for this, go to the click delete this. Clear for extend this beam. You have to extend this beam towards the collinear to the extend this column towards the collinear to the these beams. So click this beam, this column, select the column, go to the position, click on the extend, click on the pi. Here it is. Select the endpoint, give the 760 distance, and take the distance here and hit the apply. Here it is. Now select this. For also I have to extend this column also. Go to the position, click on the extend, click on the pi. Here it is. Same. Applied. Dismiss. Now for copying this column here also, yeah, you can use the offset here. Go to the create copy offset. First 5190. Hit the apply. OK. Go to display, select this. Create copy offset 5180. Yes. Select this beam. Go to the create offset 580 same. Yes. Dismiss. Here it is, your structure without grid is ready. Now I also have to copy this yes, I also have to copy this beam here. So go to the create copy offset 5190. Applied. Yes. Select this. Go to the create copy offset 5180. Click on the applied. Yes. Dismiss. Could they create copy of set same 5180? Here it is, your structure is ready now without grid. In our next lecture we will learn about the piping routine.